Okay, this is part 2. The first one was part 1. I just didn't ask. I just didn't I did this I didn't wait. I didn't I didn't I didn't hirap naman mag-English. I didn't wag na Pilipino na lang. Di ko na yung caption ba yun? Yung, di ba, yung pagkatapos mo mag-upload. Dito yung pang ganon. Tsaka may pang ano dito. Di ko na type part 1. Look. Oh, watch stuff. Look. This one. You see that circle. You see this circle. 1 and 2. Read it backwards. That's my blood. Yeah, that's true. Look. 1 and 2. Yeah. And this one too. I just never mind. Maybe this is okay now. Let me add joke. I won't do that.